I'm sure you must have seen tons of videos which talk about what ruins a good sleep, what you should not be doing before you head to bed. But hey, this video is not about that. Then what is it about? You're gonna find out soon. Hello everyone, I am your lifestyle buddy Pratik Chitre and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 things that you need to do before you head to bed. And there's a surprise at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So without further ado, let's start. Number 5, journaling. Studies have shown that people who have trouble sleeping are prone to fretting and worrying at bedtime. Well, these negative thoughts can lead to stress and anxiety. Making journaling can become a soothing part of your bedtime routine and can help you sleep easily. These are the benefits of journaling. It increases your emotional intelligence. When you do journaling, you're basically putting down your thoughts. So over a period of time, it not only helps you to understand your emotions better, but also other people's emotions, which in turn makes you empathetic and can help you form deeper connections with people. It can help you achieve your goals. If you write down your goals every day, time and again, whenever you feel out of focus or whenever you feel down or whenever you're lost, checking out the journal and checking out your goals is going to put you back on track. It improves memory. Well, it is said that when you write down something, you remember it better. It's true, because what your brain does, it remembers the curvatures of the letters, it remembers the ink that you use, the page that you use, and that is how your memory improves. It improves your vocabulary. Now you must be wondering how. Well, again, over a period of time, when you're writing the same thing again, you will get tired and you want to replace those words. For example, if you write, I am feeling good today. After a point, you would want to replace that with, I am feeling great today. Or maybe I am feeling amazing today. I am feeling awesome today. So by doing this, you are going to improve your vocabulary over a period of time. It makes you self-disciplined. If you make journaling a task, it is going to make you self-disciplined. Well, this has happened with me because before journaling, I would not do things like making your bed, weighing myself in the morning, drinking water in the morning. But once I started journaling, I would write down these are the habits that I want to inculcate. And if I don't do it on particular days, I would have to, cross it. And when I do it, I would tick it. So that made me accountable, and that is how, I was able to inculcate all these habits. So if you make journaling a part of your habit, you're going to get self-disciplined. Check the link in description to see the kind of journals that I have been using, and if you have been using the journals, great. If you haven't, well, you can start right away. Number 4, taking a hot shower. Taking a hot shower after journaling is an ideal thing to do. Hot shower soothes your body, your muscles, your brain, and it reduces your body temperature, which tells your body that it's time to sleep. These are the benefits of hot shower. It reduces swelling. 5 minutes of hot shower is known to stimulate healing and reduce inflammation. It lowers your body tension. As your body temperature is reduced, the body tension also reduces. It reduces anxiety. Showering and bathing are known to relieve anxiety and to find ways to fix challenges which may seem impossible. So the next time, if you are not able to find a solution to any problem, take a hot shower and try to think of the solution. Most of the times, you will find a solution. It removes skin toxins. If you've ever washed greasy dishes with cold water alone, you will know what I'm talking about, because that grease doesn't go easily. That's exactly what happens with our skin. Hot water basically cleans all the impurities which cold water is not able to clean alone. Number 3, having a skin routine. So after journaling and taking a hot shower, the next thing that you need to do is to take care of your skin. Basic routine can include a face lotion and a body lotion. If you want to get into the depths of skin routine, it includes cleansing, exfoliating, applying a serum, moisturizing. But if you don't want to get in so much detail, I think having a face lotion and a moisturizing lotion is more than enough. Our skin heals at night, so it's very important to have a skin routine. And these are the benefits of having a skin routine. It gives you rejuvenated skin. It helps in damage correction. It cleans all the impurities. You can check the link in description to see the kind of products I use for my skin routine, and if you like them, you can try them out. Number 2, reading a book. Do you know on an average, CEOs read 60 books a year, which means 5 books a month. And most of them read a book before sleeping. These are the benefits of reading a book. It reduces stress. So if you have had a bad day or if there's too much on your mind, reading a book is a perfect distraction which will also help you gain some knowledge. One study has shown that reading a book for 6 minutes can reduce your stress by 68%. It improves your creativity. Reading books broadens your mind. It gives you different perspectives. Do you know that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, was able to build rockets by reading books? Isn't that amazing? It improves concentration. If you are reading a book without multitasking, your focus is only on one thing, which improves your concentration in the long run. It gives you better sleep. Has it ever happened to you that you've dozed off while reading a book? Well, that's exactly why you should read a book at night. Have you also wondered why parents tell bedtime stories to their kids? So that they increase their imagination and sleep better. I would love to know how many books have you read in the last year and how many books do you generally read in a month? Comment below. And check the link in description to check out my recommended books. Number 1. Meditation. So after finishing all these other activities, the last thing that you need to do before you head to bed is to meditate. Meditation can be done in multiple forms. What I generally do is I either lie down on my bed, listen to some soothing music for 5 minutes until my mind is calm, and then I go to sleep. Or the other method that I use is I sit on my bed, just focus on my breathing, breathe in, breathe out slowly for 5 minutes, and after that I go to sleep. These are the benefits of meditation. It reduces stress. It improves your sleep quality. It helps you fight insomnia. Well, there's a recent study which was conducted where 50 insomniacs were told to meditate for 14 days straight, and after 14 days, around 20 people fell asleep. If you found this video useful, kindly give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to click the bell icon so that you can get notification for all my future videos. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and as I had promised, there is a surprise coming up. But before that, let me tell you what my next video is going to be about. It's going to be about turmeric, everything about turmeric. Until then, this is your lifestyle buddy Pratik Chitre signing off. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay safe, and enjoy a surprise. Okay, वापस कर. Journaling regularly. Okay, color of the ink that you use, the type of page that you're using to write, what in your journal, your memory is improved, or that is how your memory improves. It can help you achieve your goals. If you write down your journals, okay, rolling action. Journaling after a point of time becomes a task like any other task. So then, showering and bathing are known to cure anxiety and to find ways to fix. Okay, the basic routine should at least include a body lotion and a face lotion. Everything is getting recorded. Wow. Rolling.